In 2005, YouTube was just a small startup with big dreams. Today, it's a global phenomenon with billions of users, and for creators, there's one milestone that stands above the rest: the YouTube Gold Play button. But have you ever wondered what goes into creating this prestigious award? This isn't just some shiny trophy, it's a carefully crafted symbol of a creator's journey to 1 million subscribers. From the first sketch to the final polish, the making of the Gold Play button is an incredible process that reflects the dedication it represents. What's the story behind this iconic award, and how does YouTube bring it to life? Let's uncover the fascinating steps that make the Gold Play button more than just a plaque. It's a creator's dream realized. The origins of the YouTube Gold Play button. Before the Gold Play button became an iconic award, YouTube creators had few ways to celebrate hitting major subscriber milestones. That changed in 2012 when YouTube launched its Play Button award system. What started as a simple way to recognize creators with the silver play button for 100,000 subscribers quickly expanded to include the prestigious Gold Play button for 1 million subscribers and the Diamond Play button for those who reached an incredible 10 million subscribers. The Gold Play button, in particular, has become a key goal for many content creators. It represents years of effort and dedication, and it's a reminder of how much their audience has grown. But the Gold Play button isn't just a symbol, it's a meticulously crafted award, made to reflect the creator's success in a tangible, beautiful form. Craftsmanship and Materials. The YouTube Gold Play button might look like a giant chunk of gold, but it's actually made from a carefully chosen set of materials. The base is primarily made from metal, which is then coated with a thin layer of gold plating to give it its signature shine. Despite not being solid gold, the craftsmanship behind it is top tier. Each award starts out as raw metal, which is shaped into the iconic play button symbol. The precision that goes into shaping the award ensures that every detail, from the smooth curves of the play button to the sharp edges of the plaque, is perfect. It's no easy feat to create something that looks sleek, modern, and worthy of 1 million subscribers. Personalization, making each award unique. What sets the Gold Play button apart is its personalization. When a YouTube creator reaches 1 million subscribers, YouTube verifies their achievement and works on personalizing the award. The creator's channel name is engraved on the plaque, turning a mass-produced award into a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects the hard work of that specific creator. This personalization process is done using advanced engraving machines that carve out the channel name with pinpoint accuracy. The award is then inspected to make sure the engraving is flawless. It's this extra layer of detail that makes the Gold Play button so special. No two are exactly alike. The attention to detail in packaging. Once the award is finished, YouTube doesn't stop there. They understand that receiving the award is a big moment for any creator, so they go the extra mile to make sure the unboxing experience is just as special. Each Gold Play button is placed in a foam-lined box to prevent any scratches or damage during shipping. When a creator finally receives their award, it's an exciting moment. Many creators share this experience with their fans by posting unboxing videos. The anticipation, the careful opening of the package, and the reveal of the shiny Gold Play button make for a thrilling experience, not just for the creator but for their audience as well. What the Gold Play button represents. The YouTube Gold Play button is more than just an award for reaching 1 million subscribers. It symbolizes a creator's journey: every late night editing videos, every moment spent engaging with viewers, and every creative decision made along the way. For creators, this award is a tangible reminder of their community's support and their own persistence. It's not just about numbers, it's about the connection between creators and their fans. Reaching 1 million subscribers means that a creator has built a community that values their content. The Gold Play button is a way to celebrate that connection and to recognize the hard work that goes into building a successful YouTube channel. The inspiration behind the award. For many YouTubers, the Gold Play button serves as a source of inspiration. It's proof that with enough passion and dedication, they can reach incredible heights. The journey to 1 million subscribers may be long and filled with challenges, but the reward at the end is worth it. Creators often display their Gold Play button in their videos, using it as a way to thank their fans and to remind themselves of how far they've come. It's not just an award, it's a reminder of what's possible when creativity and perseverance come together. The YouTube Gold Play button is more than just a plaque, it's a symbol of dedication, creativity, and community. From the materials used to the intricate craftsmanship and personalization, every detail is carefully considered to ensure the award feels as special as the achievement it represents. For creators who receive the Gold Play button, it's a celebration of the journey they've taken with their audience. It's a testament to their hard work and a reminder that success on YouTube is possible with enough dedication. So the next time you see one of these iconic awards, remember the story behind it, the story of countless creators who turned their passion into something truly extraordinary. And if you're inspired by this journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Who knows? Maybe you'll be holding your own Gold Play button one day.